Hey guys, this video will showcase one of our products. This is the digital wooden design alarm clock. I'll be going through its features, functions, and a quick tutorial on setting up this alarm clock. It comes in two colors, black and brown. If you're interested, I'll leave the link down below to our online store. The display is very minimalist. It only bears the time, but you can couple this with other functions like date or temperature. Right now, I'm holding down the set button for us to adjust. So this is the year, so you can use your up down to adjust, and when you're done, just click the set button once. Now for the time, we have a 12-hour or 24-hour variation. Then once done, you'll move on to the time. So to adjust, just use the up down button. Now if you wanna use the sound recognition, the clock only display when it hears a sharp sound like a clap. Now for the alarm, you can save up to 3 times. Okay, so first of all, you need to click the set button first to move to the alarm settings. Then holding the set button will let you adjust the time. Then just use up down to input the desired time and click set again to save. Now click up down to turn on the alarm. For the brightness feature, we have 4 levels of brightness. Just click down to adjust.